Morning, everybody. Mike and Nick reporting back from Bourbonnais, day 2 of our repair job. The way we left it last night was we got everything back to grade with clean stone. We got our unilock drive grid underneath the steps over here to about 10 feet out and maybe 10 feet over or so, and we got about 4 inches of fresh 3/4 clean stone on top of that. We've packed it with the packer. We set up our screed pipes and we've screeded out 3/8 chips to here so far, so that's all ready to be laid first thing this morning. I'm going to come in here with some 3/4 clean. We're going to fill up the steps, get that all packed in, and then put chips on top and get that step put back together. But as you can see, we got a real nice heavy base of mortar that these were put on, so those are all good to go. We're going to get this put all back together and report back at the end of the day and show you the final product. All right, everyone. Myself, Mike, and Nick have this project wrapped up. We got everything back together, packed and sanded. As you can see, it looks like we weren't even here besides it being fixed and water flowing the right direction. Take a peek over here on the wall, you can definitely see how we got our grade back, and we definitely have positive flow away from the house. Same with the steps. Everything is good to go. We take a 4-foot level here just to give you a little insight of what it looks like. You can see we definitely have some flow on that step. We always pitch our steps away from the house just to get rain away from there. And as you see, if we take our big screed pipe and set it on the patio that we just got done fixing, we definitely have flow away from the house. We know we're good. So this patio is good as new, at least for here where we just fix things. Not to say some other issues might occur down the road with other areas, but until then they're good to go. It's a nice patio. We came in last fall, we put this fire pit in that they wanted to have, and that turned out nice. And fixing the water issues that they had was a secondary project. We were just going to wait till winter was over, take it in the spring, which we just did. So until next project, we're signing off. We'll see you then.